Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make vertical and horizontal shake effects on CapCut using the keyframes feature. So first you need to add your clips to CapCut and zoom in all the clips a little like this. Then after that, add 2 keyframes on each clip. One at the beginning and the other one at the end of the clips. Okay, after you add those 2 keyframes, add another one in between the 2 keyframes. So I'm going to add it in here like this, near the keyframes, the first keyframe. Okay, the last one. And then after that, go to the first keyframe and move the clip up. So here is for the first clip, move the clip up like this, and then on the second keyframe, move the clip down a little bit. Okay, but for the next clip, do the same thing but move the clip sideways. So for the next clip, you need to do it like this. Okay, so for the third clip, move it up and down and do it alternating. Okay, after you move the clip on the first and second keyframes, go in between the first and second keyframes and go to grabs, select the ease out one. Okay, and for the last two keyframes, grab and ease in 3. Do this for all of your clips. So for the first 2 keyframe is out 1 and the last 2 keyframes is in 3. Okay, so now you are done and the result will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.